Hello guys, Indian Coinage channel contains videos that makes you interesting in listening out the rare informations of coins and currencies. Keep support our channel, like to share and subscribe. Press the bell button for the future notification. Watch out the full content. No further delays, just get into the video. Today we discuss about 5 rupee ICMR coin rare information. This 5 rupee model was released in the year 2011. Weight is 6 grams and metal composition is nickel brass. Brass mixing up to the metal, so only it looks like golden color. Each and every coin and of course stamps and currencies having its own history. These coins also contain huge history. In 1911, Indian Research Fund Association was started. Once after independence, the name was changed in 1949 to Indian Council of Medical Research. The short form is ICMR. In world level, it is one of the oldest medical research center. The main objective of the association is formation, coordination and promotion of biomedical research. In 2000, it reached 100 years centenary. This kind of historical information was printed to that coin. Every Indian knows this kind of historical memorial information, so only our Indian Coinage channel promoted this information. The earth of the coin is reeded earth. Generally, coins of India are printed in 4 different places. Mumbai Mint denotes diamond mark, Hyderabad Mint denotes star mark, Calcutta Mint denotes no mint mark, Noida Mint denotes dot mark. This kind of mint are printed under the year. Specifically, this coin was printed in all of that 4 places. Normally, the following categories of coin have high demand. It attracts more number of buyers day by day, searching those kind of coin. That is error coin, experimental coin, OMS coin, mule coin, rare year or mint, complete year set, and die variety. The first 6 one is rare or rare set mix. So normal collector did not get those kind of sets. But the last one is die variety. The important thing in die variety have same denomination, same year and same mint, but observe our reverse side is differ. This set are easily collected, but this kind of information only few people know. I give some example about this type. This 10 piece model was released in the year 1968. In 13th June 2011, our Indian government withdrawn 25 pice and below denomination. So this model also withdrawn. After that, many coin collectors searching this coin through online and offline. In offline means goes to antique shops or coin exhibition, but both of the places this coin sells at 5 rupees to 50 rupees, depends on condition and mint. But if you get to collect this coin in die variety method, you can easily achieve more than 1000 rupees. Then you ask one question to me, how is it possible? Do you have any proof? Yes, I have, but I already explained about die variety in this image. 2 coins were both printed in 1968 and both have diamond mint mark under the year, but the observe or front side of the both coin contain Asoka emblem has some changes. I put arrow mark on the particular changes. One of the major changes seems in Asoka emblem of both the coin. First Asoka emblem is bigger in size as compared to second. Looks at right gap are all much reduced between emblem and the words of India in English and Bharat in Hindi. This kind of coins were sold few years before at famous auction websites like Bombay Auction. The proof is there. Estimated price of the coin is 4000 rupees to 4500 rupees and the product was sold out. Item sold is mentioned there. This 5 rupee coin also contain two die variety, one is left and another one is right. Both Asoka emblem has some changes, like first Asoka emblem is looking short, new rupee symbol and denomination 5 is looking bigger. India in both English and Hindi letter seems to be thin. 5 rupee ICMR die variety was printed in Kolkata only and having its own mint mark. You easily get this set. Also it is circulation coin, so collect one or two set of this model and don't sell this coin now because circulation coin buy or sell is offense in India. Thanks and meet you on next video.